Hello guys, today I will show you how to install and create MozBar account. MozBar is a free Chrome extension developed by Moz that allow you to see the metrics of a website, including domain authority, page authority, and the number of backlinks. It's a useful tool for digital marketers, SEO professionals, and websites owners who want to improve their website search engine ranking. In this video, we shall guide you through the step of creating a free MozBar account. Step 1. Install MozBar. The first step in creating a free MozBar account, you install the extension in your Google Chrome browser. Here how you can do it. Open your Google Chrome browser and go to the Chrome Web Store. Search for MozBar in the search bar. Click on Add to Chrome to install extension. A pop-up window will appear asking for confirmation. Click on the Add extension to proceed. Once the install are complete, the MozBar icon will appear on the top right corner of your browser. Sign up for free MozBar. Sign up for a free Moz account to use MozBar. You need to create a free Moz account. How you can do it? Click on the MozBar icon browser. Click on the sign up button. Fill on your details including your name, email address and password. Agree to terms and conditions. Click on the create free account button.